You searched how to buy shares of Johnson & Johnson, a global healthcare company that makes pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health products. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker JNJ, and this video is for educational purposes, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a licensed broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process, and after registering, you will need to verify your account with a government ID and add funds before trading. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker JNJ to find the official listing. Then select the result that matches Johnson & Johnson to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart, and double-check the company name and JNJ ticker to confirm you have the right asset. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, carefully review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and if you want to open an account, the example eToro link is provided in the description below.